There is a new feature that has been released by YouTube for you. Yes, this feature helps you right here inside of your YouTube studio or your YouTube app. You do not need a third party anymore to get onto any form of AI generation. This is a feature that has been released by YouTube to help you check out your videos, check out how your videos are doing so that you can capitalize on exactly what you have done that is doing well, or you can let go of what you have done that is not doing well. Okay. And this particular feature is right here in the YouTube studio or the YouTube app. You do not need to go elsewhere. Have you been struggling with views? Have you been struggling to grow your channel in the last how many years? You hear some people say, I've been on YouTube for 6 years, I've been on YouTube for 3 years. It is actually heartbreaking. YouTube is just like any other business, okay? When you get into a business, you have to get grounded in the business for you to know exactly what to do to skyrocket your sales and what not to do so that your sales do not drop from the point that they have been to. That's exactly what YouTube is all about. So I don't like to glorify people who say there is so much work on YouTube, it's frustrating, this, that. It's just because sometimes we like to find the easy way out on stuff, and nothing good actually comes easy. I don't like the easy way out. That's why I'm permanently here on YouTube, making research and bringing them your way so that if only you can replicate, it will only take a matter of time. Even me who is talking, I haven't gotten to where I want to be right now on YouTube, but it is work in progress because I already know the truth. I already know that there is so much to be achieved here on YouTube. So I'm going to be bringing you that particular feature that will help you a great deal to stay put right here. You don't need to ask anybody. You don't need to, run after anybody for classes anymore. I'm not disputing, the act of paying for classes. It's actually very good because I've learned a lot from paying for classes. So let me not tell you that the app replaces that, but there is a lot you can do with this particular app. And then let's go get the app. Okay, let's get down to it. So I'm going to be using my studio to make this presentation, and this is my studio. Okay, this is my YouTube studio. And what am I looking for? I'm not looking for chat with creator support. I'm not looking for help. I'm looking for this particular guy. It's called ASK Studio. Okay. I'm looking for the ASK Studio. That's the guy I'm looking for. In here, you can do a lot of things. So for instance, I have this video here. This video has been posted for about how many days now, and it's not doing well. You can see it's not doing well. I can as well click on this video, come to my ARC Studio to find out exactly why this video didn't do well. That's what the ARC Studio can do for you. The ARC Studio can give you a summary of your entire channel. Okay, your entire channel can give you a summary of your entire channel. Those questions, you go to chat, you run to chat, you run to cloud, you run to Gemini to go and ask them. You can do a whole lot here. So I've just clicked on my Ask Studio, and it says hello, grow with Peggy. Yes, the Ask Studio knows me. I'm very sure the Ask Studio will know you as well. So you go ahead and click on yours. Okay. How can Ask Studio help me? You can summarize comments, you see. So the Ask Studio can help you to summarize comments. A lot of us overlook our comment section. Our comment section is a great deal where we can have a lot of video ideas. What I usually do is on my first channel, sometimes I dedicate a full day or two just to take notice of the comments that are there. Sometimes people come in there to ask questions on things that are not clear. I remember one certain time, I made a video about screencast, right? And then I just took it for granted that everybody knew exactly where to loop their videos right inside of their phones. I didn't know that most people didn't know. So it was when I was going through my comment section that I discovered somebody asked, where can I loop a video? in my phone. And that became a content idea for me. So I had to shoot another video teaching people how they can loop their videos right inside of their phones. Okay. So the comment section is a great deal. You want to dwell on your comment section because you can have a lot of ideas from there. Now, suggest new video ideas. So this guy can suggest new video ideas for you. So I click that one and let's see what is going to give to me. You can enlarge the stuff, okay? You can just enlarge this guy, okay? Okay, so what was our question again? Suggest new video ideas based on my previous idea, my previous video. That's what I'm asking ASK Studio. Based on your channel's recent performance and the great engagement you've been getting on Grow with Peggy, I've analyzed your top videos and viewer comments to suggest some fresh ideas. You're interactive. You are out. You are out challenges and brain testing riddles like you think you know English math, let's go try this, blah blah blah, are clearly big hits with your audience. At the same time, your viewers are showing a lot of appreciation for your practical YouTube growth tips. Can you see? So I play around a lot on this particular channel. Most nights I go live and I teach a bit. When I finish, I just do some riddles, and my riddles are centered around YouTube knowledge. Okay, so I put riddles on YouTube knowledge. Then it goes ahead to say, here are three personalized video ideas to keep that momentum going. Okay, we requested it to suggest video ideas, isn't it? Inspired by your top performing riddles and interactive shots. Interactive mystery riddle, only 1% can spot the secret solution. A high energy interactive riddle video that leverages your proven success with only 1% hook to drive viewer participation. So if you're interested in this type of video idea, you click on tell me more and it's going to tell you more. Okay, you've clicked on tell me more, it's going to tell you more. But let me move this guy back up. Let me move this guy back up so that we can see the next one that was suggested for us. Okay, it will tell you why it works and all whatnot. Okay, extreme, don't say it's challenge. Can you survive the trendiest sound? So this is another suggestion, and it will also tell you why it works. Okay, then let's see this one, the 2026 YouTube growth blueprint, 5 secret hacks for small channels. Can you see this one? A value packed tutorial that provides fresh, actionable strategies for your audience looking to grow their own channels. So I love this one. So I can click on tell me more and it will give me more ideas. Why this works? Comment on videos like how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, show your audience is hungry for growth tips. Positioning this as a 2026 blueprint makes it feel timely and essential. Can you see this? To make this even more effective, would you prefer to focus more on the interactive gaming side? Okay, no. So this is, I love this topic, this idea, and I'll click tell me more on that so that we can read it. Okay, let's hold on a bit. Network is quite slow. So, okay. Tell me more. This video idea, the 2026 video YouTube growth blueprint, 5 secret hacks for small channels, is designed to capitalize on the high interest your Grow with Peggy audience has shown in building and scaling their own channels. Okay, the 2026 blah blah, the same topic. So let's see. Deep dive into the 5 secrets. The shorts to go long bridge. Use your successful shots like your riddle to funnel viewers into your long form growth tutorials using the related video feature. So what this is saying is that you can do a riddle on shorts, and then that feature that says related video. So you now put this long form video on as your related video. So those who watch your shorts can come straight on into the related video to watch your long form videos as well. SEO for 2026, moving beyond just keywords to focus on topic clusters, how to dominate a specific niche, So it tells you everything. The Ask Studio tells you everything, okay? Now, you can also ask a question and it's going to respond to you. Let's start a new conversation here. Or let's click on more suggestion. Let's see what it can do for us some more. You can refine my video title, okay? So this guy can refine your video title. Let's click on it and see. Let's click on it and see. Let's click getting specific details for this video. I'm very sure it's going to use the last video I posted. Okay, let's see. I have taken a look at your latest video. How well can you see, engage, and connect with everyone on the stream? Okay, this was a stream. Since this was a live stream focused on engagement, games, and growth, we want a title that sparks curiosity and clearly states the benefits for your viewers. The current title is a bit long and uses hashtags that might be better suited for the description. Here are a few refined title options for Grow with Peggy. Can you see that? Can you see that? So it's giving us options. Curiosity and interaction best for clicking. Can you see this? Live games and viewer engagement, the ultimate engagement test. Option number two, this one is value oriented, how to connect and grow, live interaction workshop, grow with Peggy, live viewer connection. And so these are the kind of things that, the Ask Studio can do for you. Let's go back to more suggestion. Get inspired for your next content. You see, suggest new video ideas. We had done that one. Workshop a video idea, create a content calendar. I told you all the things that ChatGPT does for you, this guy can do for you. So create a content calendar. Here, understand your channel and community. So what does it mean? It will summarize my channel performance, summarize viewer feedback. What topics are my viewers into? How did viewers find my content? How many new viewers did I reach? Okay, so let's click on that one and see how many new viewers did this particular channel reach. Okay. Over the last 28 days, Grow with Peggy has reached 262 new viewers from the latest. So most of them came from this particular live. We brought in 20 new viewers so far. So this live brought in 20 viewers. This live alone, okay. Pin comment, use it looks like your channel attracts a very high percentage of new viewers, about 82% of your total audience this month, which is a fantastic sign for growth. To keep this momentum going, you might want to focus. So it goes ahead to tell you even what to do next, what you need to do next to get more growth on this. So it's suggesting that I should pin comment, use a pin comment to ask this new viewers a question or invite them to subscribe. Consistency tip A. During your stream, remind people that they can join the community for more interactive sessions like this. Okay. Great work on bringing in fresh faces to the channel. Would you like also, it will go ahead to ask you what you would like them to do for you more. So basically, all the things that the AI engines would have been doing for you, are you not better off, you know, are you not better off doing them here on your YouTube studio using the axe? Look at it. This is the axe studio. Okay, is a new feature that can help you. Guys, do not sleep on any feature that YouTube brings for us. Okay, do not sleep on it. Come here, get your video titles, get your descriptions, get everything that you can get from here and begin to grow your channel the best way you can grow. So thank you so very much. I'm very sure you got value Like always, please do subscribe. This is the time where you have to click on the subscription button, turn on the notification so that as we do more research, check them out, we bring them your way, you'll be the first to gain from this. So let me know on the comment section whether or not you're going to be using the ASK Studio or you remain stuck with your third-party AI generators. Okay, until I come your way again, I remain the face behind the Grow with Peggy channel. Please stay tuned.